Hey guys, I'm back. Hey guys, it's me again. Mm. Anyways, it's been a long time since I've vlogged and I just want to say hi. I just need to just chill out for a while. Mm. Anyway, just laying in bed. I'm tired. And it's like, I don't know what time it is, but I don't care because it's Thursday. Oh gosh, guys, it's Q&A Thursday, isn't it? I better check. Oh man, forgot about that. If you guys, I'm gonna check, and then if you guys haven't sent me any question and answers, I might be mad at you. But yeah, I'm not gonna be mad at you very much. And guess which video am I watching? And this is not the Mario Kart, not Stampy Longness. It's the Viral Brothers where they went. Just whatever, okay? Just Q&A Thursday. I'm so tired. I forgot to check your question. Anyway, I'm back again, and I said I forgot to check your question and answers. I'm a total dummy. Anyway, I'm just too busy with schools, and we have exam next week, so no Q&A Thursday, no vlogging time, no whatever Egg Friday or no Fantabulous Friday, no Dub Saturday, and no more one of those things. Unless that week is over. Then I get to play Xbox with you guys. Yay! Well, not really Xbox, but I don't have one. My mom's friend, so I'm gonna check if you guys have sent me any questions. Then see you later. Bye.